Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by using sunlight as a continuous reference because the sun's apparent motion gives reliable time cues. Place a vertical stick into level ground and immediately mark the tip of its shadow. That first mark is your baseline. Every 10 to 15 minutes, make a new mark so you capture the shadow's movement. While you work, note compass direction or landmarks and the sun's altitude. These let you translate shadow angle into hour segments later, so be methodical about mark spacing and orientation. Once you have marks, measure the horizontal distance from the stick base to each mark using string or a ruler. This distance relates to the sun angle. Divide the change between successive distances to estimate the rate of shadow movement. Because the sun moves roughly 15 degrees per hour across the sky, translate your measured angle change into time increments. For instance, 1/4 of that angle approximates 15 minutes. Make sure to account for latitude roughly. Shadows shorten differently near noon. Finally, pick an anchor, sunrise, sunset, or a known clock reading when available, and align your shadow marks to that anchor to set absolute time. Interpolate between the closest marks to estimate the present minute and round sensibly. If clouds or uneven ground distort shadows, wait for a clearer interval or replant the stick on flatter earth. If drift persists, double-check measurements and increase marking frequency. Once stable, you can track local time reliably for several hours using just shadow progression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.